Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince Area Trading Friend. Friends, today's video will really test what kind of trader you are because as you know, trading is not only about executing a strategy, it is all about controlling your emotions. So today's video we will be going through this journey, we will be seeing, and there is something new which has happened today for the first time in our continuous live trading. We are doing it, that is nothing but we are carrying forward our position. So why are we carrying forward the positions, what are the reasons we are reasons for carry forwarding, what are the steps taken, all those things you'll understand in today's video. And it was a pure game of emotions. We had to control our emotions. People those who could control their emotions are able to become successful, nothing else. Okay, so before going forward, people those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, this is a channel for all the working professionals. In case if you're not yet subscribed, I recommend you to please press the subscribe button and also the bell notification, so that as soon as I post any videos you'll be getting notifications. Okay, so the stock which I have selected for trading is ITC future, and you can see I what I found was a trend reversal in ITC future. But after taking the stock only I came to know that there was result announcement on Friday. Okay, but we can't help it, but as of now I could see a trend reversal and it was continuously coming down. So in case if you see the trend lines, you can see that the stock is coming down. I have just opened the 30 minutes time frame so that we'll get a clear picture, there won't be any whipsaws. So that is the reason I added ITC future to the watch list. Okay, so now selecting the strike price, so let me just enlarge it little more. So we are taking ITC and we are selecting the uh, options. So we have decided to go bearish, that is we are selling the future, so we need to sell the put option also. Okay, so let me look into the put option strike price which is having the highest open interest, which is nearby our spot price, so that we will have good momentum in that stock. So you can see nearby, if at all we look, we can see here 21,98,400 is available here at 190. Okay, so let me just add it into the watch list. So adding options of ITC and 190. Okay, so I'm adding the put option. The premium is around 9.30, fair enough for us. So now let us take the insurance, because you know insurance is very important. We have to take it, especially you will know the reason today why we took it. Okay, so 220 is fair enough if at all we see 20%, sorry, 10% far away. And adding 220 to the watch list. Call option, yeah. So 30th July, this is going to be my call option. Fine. So I got my three legs for placing my trade, and this is my previous trade. In case if you have missed it, you can just watch this. Okay, the previous video which we had uploaded on SBIN. In case if you missed it, you can just watch it. Okay, so now today we are going to place in ITC. So we have decided to sell the future as well and sell the put option. So first executing the option, I am placing the limit order, and the price as of now is 9.25. Reviewing the sales order, it's completed quickly. And then let me sell the future as well. I'm placing a market order and I can see that it's completed. And once this is done, I am placing for my insurance as well. Yeah, so 3.45 is the present price. So you can see that also is completed. And then you can see all my three legs have been executed, and the funds, many were asking me to please show how much funds is being used. And you can see almost 1,40,000 rupees is the fund which is being used, because it's getting hedged. Okay, so that's why I usually say to keep around 2 to 2.5 lakh, because some stocks might require higher funds and some stocks may require less funds. So sometimes it should not be like you are out of the trade because you don't have funds. Okay, so this was a trade which we had taken. And for many people, those who are asking why do we need insurance or why is that we're doing hedging, today's story is clear cut. You can see yesterday we had closed at around 193.6, and then today you can see it has opened at 201.7, a huge gap, almost 25,000 rupees in case if you were trading naked future. This is the reason why we do always the hedging, so that you are safe. So today it has helped us, and unfortunately, as I told you, I was not aware of the incident or the news which was announced and the results which was announced, because of which ITC has zoomed up. But not a problem, since we have our hedging with us and we have our adjustment with us. We don't have to worry. And also, you know that we're doing covered call. The more the time we spend in the market, the more profit we'll be getting. So there's no rule that we have to close a position one day. And I will show you what the adjustments we have done. Unfortunately, you can see, friends, if at all I draw the trend lines, you can see, I'll just, yeah, you can see how it has moved today. Wait a second. Okay. Just, you can see the movement. Yes, market has just moved sideways, unfortunately for us. It was coming up, then again coming down, again going up, and again coming down. So there was no direction for ITC today. That is the reason why we could not do the adjustments and come out with zero loss or with profits. Because previously you have seen that whenever we did adjustments, the stock was supporting us. The stock was either moving up or the stock was moving down, and we used to come out with profits or break even. But now the market is moving only sideways, and as you know that we are in the month starting, almost you can say second day of the month starting of the expiry, and the theta decay was very less. So the gain which we got was very less, because you know that in sideways movement also we make money in options. And let me just show you my actual positions as of now. Okay, so we have not closed the order still. You can see ITC future, it has come down. The overall loss has come down to 15,360 now. So this was exactly what I was talking to you, friends. In case if there is any upside, I mean opposite direction, gap up or gap down, the hedging will save us. So you can see in this cases, this hedging saved us almost 9,600 rupees profits we got in that. And initially morning it was around 25,000 loss, but then it has come down, and then you can see as of now we are sitting at a position of 12,600. But it is not a problem, because we have carried forward a position, and the position which we have taken today is, you can see these three other positions we have taken carry forwarded for today. That is, the future is still continuing. Many were asking me, sir, if at all you find future in the loss in the morning, can we close it immediately in the morning? I always say we must not close the mother trade, because this was a mother trade which we have taken. In case if we have to carry forward, then it will be very difficult for us. Okay, so then what we did morning, as soon as we did want to do adjustments, we clicked here and we converted our positions to intraday. We did not take any new funds or anything of that sort, and then we did the adjustments. But as you can see here, there was no scope for making money in the adjustments. The reason, because the market went sideways. Suppose if market would have gone little up or little down, we would have come out in profits easily. That was because that is how I do my adjustments. But not the least, as long as we have not completed our trade, we have not booked the loss. You can see that we have not booked this loss till now. As long as you have not booked this loss, you don't have to worry. You can always do the adjustments and come out. So I am carrying forward the position. This is the first time we are carrying forward in this entire series. But in my life, I have done carry forward many times, because you all know that covered calls make money only when you carry forward for 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 days. So it's a very good challenge for us. And this is what I was telling you, people, you need to have to control your emotions, your guts, to manage these kinds of sudden losses or something. Although not a problem, we are sitting at a good profit of 55,000. This should not hurt us, but we will stick to our policy. And also, it is not that I am overconfident. I am only having confidence on my technique. Okay, so I'm having confidence on my adjustments. That's the reason I'm saying I'm hopeful that I will come out with break even or with profits, because already this month's our targets have been met, and already we are sitting with excess funds, excess profits. And this is how we are controlling our emotions now. I'm convincing myself and convincing myself and controlling my emotions. And as I told you, stock market is a game of pure emotions. Okay, so once again, let us see the position how it is going to be tomorrow. And tomorrow, if the market moves up or down, we'll be able to quickly come out in profits or in break even. So as I told you, as long as we are not booking the loss, we are not writing down in our trading journal as well, because we are as of not closed our trade. But you can observe that these trades are closed. So this will be having around 2000 rupees profit. You can see here 7840 and 9600 profit. If at all you observe, the overall difference will be around 2000 rupees profit. That will be closed for today, and tomorrow we will just wait and see how it is going to be. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. So wish me good luck for tomorrow. Hopefully I come out successful. And again, it's, as I told you, it's not in my hand, it's all in markets hand. What market gives, I have to accept, and I will be taking it as well. Okay friends, so once again, thank you and have a nice day.